Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name's Louise and today we're doing some catch up with August memory keeping. I've actually prepared my pages in advance because it takes me a little while to get them done, to have the time to sit down. But I thought I'd do a bit of a flip through with you today and then do some watercolouring of a doodle that I did for one of my memories. So I'm just pointing out here my title page where I've ripped off one of my little calendar pages and making a note of the last of the winter days. We didn't get up to too much during August. We were bird sitting a friend's cockatiel, and we also rescued this cockatiel too, who was found in our street. We've nicknamed him Pipsqueak. I've been trying to minimize the cockatiel noise in the videos, but it is quite tricky because they are happy, interactive little birds. So these are the doodles that I want to watercolor with you guys. Just a little memory of a wonderful night we had with our neighbours in their backyard with their fire pit and a bit of wildlife that was coming and checking us out. We also tried the Barbie Dream Burger from Grilled. It was a collaboration with Barbie movie and it had a pink bun, pink mayonnaise, and it came in this fun kind of cardboard box. It was meant to look like a leather handbag, and yeah, it was actually really delicious. I just also put in a few of my August dining highlights. Some sushi honki, coffee of the month, new soup we tried, rice paper rolls, and some free ice cream that my daughter and I, when we went to the ACU open day. So it's been a pretty quiet month. Stationery wise, my highlight has been the Black Milk Project flower doodles box. So I've just used some of the packaging here in my spread. I have a couple more pages, but they're a bit more private, so I won't be sharing those. So here I am. I'm just going to talk you through some of the materials I use in my traveler's notebook for memory keeping. It's the dot grid insert, which is Midori paper. It's not really designed for watercolor or too much sort of saturated pens and things, but it does the job, and particularly when you're sticking things on the other side, it's fine. I use these Staedtler pigment fine liners because they are waterproof, and I find they work really well. I got this pack of 6, I think you pay for 4 and get 2 free or something, and there are various line widths, and it has this convenient case that turns into a little pen stand. So yeah, I'm just going to put some music on, sit back and get out your own journal or just relax, and I'll check in with you at the end of the video. I'm also going to be decorating my monthly pages for August as well, and unsurprisingly it's coffee themed. I'll check in with you soon. So let me know which memory keeping page you liked, and if you got up to anything interesting in August. I realised that a lot of our Northern Hemisphere friends were on holidays. Yes, make me jealous and tell me if you had a holiday and where you went and what you did and what you saw, and I would love to hear that. So I'm just going to say goodbye for now and leave you with some slow close-ups of these coffee flavoured pages for August. Thank you for watching. Bye.